Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release video for the June Trinity 3rd birthday party release. Now let's take a closer look at the brand new A Cup of Positivity stamp and die set. A Cup of Positivity is a hand-lettered 3x4 stamp set that is positively going to brighten your day. The focal image measures 2.5 inches tall, along with two separate sentiments that can be used together or alone. This was illustrated by Love Danny Studios. This coordinating die set perfectly cuts all the images in the A Cup of Positivity stamp set. And this die set is made of high-quality 100% carbon steel. It is sold separately. And here are the pieces all cut out. I love how that works. You could stamp this alone, or you could die cut them out and make a card. So let me show you a quick card that I made. This is a 5x7. I stamped it, colored it, and die cut it out, and then attached it to the front of this 5x7 card base. And now I'd love to show you what the rest of the team has made. There is so much wonderful inspiration for the A Cup of Positivity stamp and die set. So be sure to check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.